Do you want to make smarter inventory decisions in seconds? Let me show you how to use the AI feature on the Helfer Inventory website. It's really that easy. Start by visiting the website and logging into your dashboard. Click on the Helfer AI from the menu tab. Once you're in, simply ask the chat any inventory-related questions. This could be about stock levels, sales trends, or product performance. Follow the prompt carefully to get the most accurate and useful results. Now let's try this together. See the example below. And just like that, you are using AI to manage your inventory smarter and faster. And I've got exciting news. As a business owner, you get a 1-month free trial on Helfer AI Inventory. Don't wait. Start your free trial today. Bye.